Navigating the U.S. immigration process in 2025 can feel overwhelming, especially as your case moves between agencies like USCIS, the National Visa Center, NVC, and U.S. consulates. Understanding every phase, from initial petition approval to your interview appointment, is essential for staying informed and prepared. This guide walks you through the full timeline and procedures, explains key documents such as the welcome letter and case number, and provides up-to-date information on processing times, visa bulletins, and effective communication strategies with the NVC. If you find this topic helpful, be sure to watch through to the end for all the details and consider liking and subscribing to stay updated. Once your immigration petition is approved by U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, it's transferred to the National Visa Center. This step begins the consular processing phase for immigrant visa applicants. USCIS sends a Form I-797 Notice of Action confirming the petition's approval and its forwarding to the Department of State. You can also track the case status online, which will reflect its transfer to the Department of State, marking the official move from USCIS to the NVC. After receiving your petition, the NVC creates a case file and sends a welcome letter. This letter includes your NVC case number and invoice ID, along with instructions on accessing the Consular Electronic Application Center (CC) portal. There are different welcome letters depending on the type of immigrant visa, family-based or employment-based. The welcome letter is a critical step because it contains the login credentials you'll need to begin the next phase of processing. As of March 31, 2025, the NVC is creating cases for petitions received from USCIS on March 18, 2025. Once USCIS forwards your approved petition, the NVC logs your information into their system, then sends out instructions and your welcome letter. Using the case number and invoice ID, you'll access the CAC portal to proceed with your case. For applicants in immigrant categories like CR1 or IR1, the welcome letter outlines the steps ahead. After logging in, applicants must pay both the affidavit of support fee and the immigrant visa fee each separately. Then, they must submit the DS-260 form, upload the required civil documents such as birth certificates and police records, and provide financial evidence and a completed affidavit of support from the petitioner. Regarding case review, as of March 31, 2025, the NVC is reviewing documents submitted on March 24, 2025. Before NVC can review your case, all fees must be paid and all necessary documentation submitted. These requirements include the petitioner's affidavit of support, financial supporting documents, the applicant's DS-260, and civil documents. Because requirements vary by petition type, it's important to understand exactly what's needed in your case to avoid delays. As for public inquiry responses, the NVC is currently replying to inquiries received on March 27, 2025. This information is updated weekly. It's recommended not to submit multiple inquiries for the same issue, as duplicate submissions can slow the overall response time for all applicants. A vital legal consideration comes from Section 203(g) of the Immigration and Nationality Act, which states that a visa petition can be terminated if the applicant fails to apply for a visa within 1 year of being notified that it is available. Reinstatement is only possible within 2 years of that notice, and only if the failure to respond was due to reasons beyond the applicant's control. To prevent any risk of losing your petition or priority date, it's important to remain in contact with the NVC and respond promptly to any updates or notices. Successfully managing your immigration case requires close attention to timelines, documents, and communications. Whether you're pursuing a family-based visa or another category, understanding how USCIS, the NVC, and consulates operate together will help you avoid setbacks and keep your case progressing. Be proactive, safeguard your login credentials and case details, and use the NVC inquiry form if you need assistance or clarification. Thanks for tuning in. Stay informed and take care until next time.